In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote YouTube videos in Google Ads. We'll walk through linking your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account, which is the foundation for promoting your videos, tracking engagement, and unlocking features like remarketing and advanced reporting. First, open YouTube and make sure you're signed into the correct channel you want to advertise from. It helps if the Google account you use here has the proper permissions in your Google Ads account, so everything connects smoothly. On your YouTube page, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. This takes you to your creator dashboard. In the lower left corner, click Settings, then choose Channel. Inside the Channel menu, go to Advanced Settings. This is where you connect your channel to Google Ads so the two platforms can share data for campaigns and metrics. Find and click the Link Account button. You'll be asked for your Google Ads account details, including your customer ID. That ID is the 10-digit number shown in your Google Ads interface. Enter it carefully and keep this information secure. Don't share it publicly. If there's a field for notes, it can be helpful to add a short description so you recognize the connection later. When everything looks correct, click Done to send the link request. Now switch over to your Google Ads account to approve the request. Approval is required on the Ads side to finalize the link. At the top of Google Ads, click the Tools icon. From there, open Data Manager. In some layouts, this area may appear under a similar name, but you're looking for the section that manages connected products. Click Manage and Link on YouTube. Here you'll see the pending request from your channel, along with any existing links. Review the request, confirm it's the correct channel, and approve it. Once approved, your YouTube channel is officially linked to Google Ads. You can return to the same Data Manager area to verify the status, manage the connection later, or review your actions. After the link is active, your video views, earned actions, and engagement data can flow into Google Ads, enabling you to create campaigns that promote your YouTube videos with accurate performance tracking. That's it. Your accounts are connected and you're ready to promote your YouTube videos through Google Ads with confidence. If anything doesn't show up right away, give it a few minutes and refresh. Then double-check you used the correct account ID and have the necessary permissions.